Harry Potter, so I've bought a nice Harry Potter book, or even maybe Winnie the Witch. So if you're going to do maybe witches and wizards, you could make yourself a cape. Now you could make cape out of felt, poly cotton, a jersey, and what I've done is just turned a hem, put a cord through, and that then allows you to wear it, which I will just show you. And you can make it as long as you need for the child. Superheroes maybe would be quite good. So that's quite a quick and easy thing to do. And you could always do the ties that go with Gryffindor or Slytherin. And I've just started to cut almost like a big Windsor knot tie. And this is really easy to do. Doesn't take a lot out of a felt square, and you've got yourself a tie shape there. And then you could add the stripes on a diagonal, and that's just a couple of felt squares, which isn't going to cost you a lot of money to do. And as you can see, you can either hot glue gun, you can stitch, depending on how you are with your sewing. And all you're doing is just putting the stripes on, and look, all of a sudden you've got a stripy tie. You could safety pin that on, put it on with some elastic. So maybe have a go at doing a Harry Potter outfit.